Lula's universe. Let's learn animal sounds. Cow. The cow says moo. Moo. Horse. The horse says neigh. Neigh. Pig. The pig says oink. Oink. Dog. The dog says woof. Cat. The cat says meow. Meow. Chick. The chick says cheep cheep. Cheep cheep. Sheep. The sheep says baa. Baa. Frog. The frog says ribbit.
Let's sing!
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here, moo-moo there, here moo, there moo, everywhere moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here, oink oink there, moo-moo there, oink everywhere oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. Quack 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 here, quack quack there, here quack there, quack everywhere quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh neigh here, neigh neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a lamb, E-I-E-I-O. With a baa here, baa there, here baa there, baa everywhere baa. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Well, hello there, Lula. Ready for an adventure?
Yes, Grandpa. Bye-bye. Lula's universe.